Exposing the secret to fixing Linkvertise issues on iOS. It's easier than you think. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If on Wi-Fi, restart your router. Next, address browser issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies. For Safari, go to Settings. Safari, clear history and website data. Using Chrome, tap the three dots. History, clear browsing data. Update your browser in the App Store. No pending updates? Try a different browser like Firefox. Now, disable ad blockers and VPNs. Go to Settings, Safari, Extensions, and turn off content blockers. For VPNs, go to Settings, VPN, and disconnect. Restart your iOS device. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders. Still no luck? Check for iOS updates in Settings General Software Update. And if all else fails, consider contacting Linkvertise support. They might have the answer you need. Got it? Great. Now go conquer those links.